During Samsung's August 2021 Unpacked event, they announced a bunch of stuff and the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 was one of them. And finally, we got our hands on it. This new Galaxy Buds 2 is a rather weird product. It's not Samsung's highest end true wireless earbuds. That title goes to the Galaxy Buds Pro. But there are a lot of similarities between these two to the point where I would say it's blurring the lines between premium and affordable. So in today's video, we'll talk about the Galaxy Buds 2 and, well, see what's new and what's different with its previous offerings. So let's start off with the packaging. The packaging, as usual, shows the color of the Galaxy Buds 2 that you're gonna get. I can confirm this because, well, we got the olive color and inside here is also olive. And we got yet another Buds 2, black color, so the buds should be black. Opening up the box reveals the earbuds themselves, some documentation, different sizes of ear tips, and also a USB Type-C cable for your charging, which is pretty standard stuff. We'll leave all of those aside and only talk about the Galaxy Buds 2 itself, and starting off with the case itself. Well, the shape and size is exactly the same as the Galaxy Buds Live and also the Galaxy Buds Pro that was released earlier this year. All of them function the same, looks the same, and it also has all of the usual stuff as well, indicator LED at the front, USB Type-C charging port at the back. And what's different here is, of course, the color of the Galaxy Buds 2's case. So yeah, one thing that I noted during the recap of the whole Unpacked event of August 2021, I immediately said is that I think Samsung is trying to sell you a lot more accessories because all colors that you choose for the Buds 2 will come with white color outermost shell. The only time you see the color is actually inside the buds themselves. And I think I'm right. So you see, the Galaxy Buds Pro has this matte finish overall, which kind of makes it difficult if you want to use an accessory with it, because I got a very simple silicone case here. It doesn't stick to the Galaxy Buds Pro's case, but because the Galaxy Buds 2's case is in this glossy finish, it sticks to this case very tightly. I would say kind of like a airtight seal. So yeah, it doesn't come off that easily as compared to the Galaxy Buds Pro. So opening up the case for the Galaxy Buds 2, you can see the hinge here is still using this kind of locking mechanism, which is good since Samsung didn't skimp on this, and I think it's very important since the lid doesn't just flop around. And the earbuds themselves, I would say it's very different compared to the Galaxy Buds Pro. Number one, the shape of it is a lot smaller, and number two, the earbuds shape, the speaker port itself, is also different since Samsung has gone back to this circular design as compared to the oblong shape with the Galaxy Buds Pro. The contour of the Galaxy Buds 2 is also different, as you can see in the inner part here. It's much more sleeker, I would say. It's thinner in this direction compared to the Galaxy Buds Pro's earbuds. So I think it would fit inside your ear better, but because of its smaller profile, I find myself dropping the Buds 2's earbuds a lot more often compared to the Galaxy Buds Pro. And the ear tips themselves, as mentioned earlier, you can find some extra sizes inside the box. And all of the included ear tips also come with this mesh pre-installed, so you can take the ear tips, go have a quick wash to clean off your earwax or whatever, which is also very convenient. In terms of sound quality though, I would say the Galaxy Buds 2 is actually pretty good. I tested the Buds 2 alongside with the Buds Pro with standard equalizer at that time, and I honestly, both of them sound very similar to each other. The bass is punchy, vocals are clear, and trebles are certainly there, and overall it's just very comfortable to listen to. And let's not forget about the microphone test, which I think for the Galaxy Buds 2, it's surprisingly high def. So yeah, here's a quick test. This is the microphone test of the new Samsung Galaxy Buds 2. Like what we mentioned earlier, the microphones of these TWS earbuds sound surprisingly high def. And in terms of features, I would say they are pretty similar to each other, but I will show you some comparison screenshots of features available between the Galaxy Buds 2 and the Buds Pro. We still have ANC and ambient mode as well for both of these earbuds, but heading into the earbuds settings menu, we can see that the Galaxy Buds 2 come with one extra very useful feature, which is called Earbuds Test Fit. It's a simple test that only takes a few seconds, but it ensures that you're getting the best sound quality possible and also the best ANC experience that you can get out of this pair of TWS earbuds. And as usual, if you're using multiple Samsung devices, you can also seamlessly pass the connection between multiple different Samsung devices. But of course, yeah, that's another Samsung proprietary feature. And there are other features available through this app as well, which I'm not gonna talk because they're just more or less the same as the previous ones. So yeah, watch those previous reviews if you want to know more about it, because now I want to focus about the battery life of the Galaxy Buds 2. So I used the Buds 2 with ANC turned off and I got about 6 to 7 hours, but if we turn on ANC, then I'm gonna get about 5 hours or so. And the case holds another 3 or more additional charges. So in total, you will get a very long listening time out of the Galaxy Buds 2. And for the price of $499, I would say the price is extremely good. I mean, you're getting nearly everything that the Galaxy Buds Pro has to offer, but at a significantly lower price. And remember, these two products are coming from the exact same company. Both of them use the exact same accessories as well and have more or less the same features that you're gonna use. You do have to remember though that the Galaxy Buds 2 is not a replacement for the Galaxy Buds Pro. It serves a very different price segment in the market, but I think the Galaxy Buds 2 is an excellent choice for those who are looking for a new pair of TWS earbuds. And I think it's also worth mentioning again that we are reviewing the Galaxy Buds 2 with a Samsung phone, so you might not get all of the features shown in this video if you're using a non-Samsung phone. So yeah, that's it. The Galaxy Buds 2. It's surprisingly good, surprisingly low price for what it has to offer compared to Samsung's previous offerings. And if you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.